Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share 4 easy and very powerful commands to repair your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Basically any version of Windows will be repaired with these 4 easy commands which you can run it in your computer. So let's go ahead and do that. In the search icon type cmd, and once you find the command prompt, run as an administrator. Once you do that, it will ask you to say yes, and a new window will pop up like this. And here you need to type a command which is DISM space online space / cleanup image space. I'll mention all these commands in the description box, and once you have typed it, you just need to hit enter. So let me just maximize the command here so that you can note it down, or you can simply copy from the description box as well. So the moment you hit enter, the deployment imaging service and management tool. This is a Microsoft tool to fix your computer. So the first command confirms there are no corruption detected and the operation has been completed successfully. Now in the second command, we just need to type RestoreHealth. So the command will remain same. After / instead of CheckHealth, it will be RestoreHealth. And then we need to hit enter and the repair will begin in your computer. Now this process might take 5-7 minutes, depends on the computer and the version of Windows you have. So you can do that, and once this is done, we need to run the third command. The third command is again DISM space online space cleanup image space RestoreHealth. So there is a / as well, which you can copy and paste it to a notepad from the description, and then you can run these commands. And once you have typed it, hit enter and it will begin the system scan, and it will restore the health of your Windows, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Once this is done, we're going to run the last and very powerful command, which is SFC scan. We also call it system file checker. So for that, I'll open up the command prompt. I'll just type cmd and run as administrator in the search box. And here I need to type SFC space / scan now. So you can copy it and hit enter. Now the moment you do it, the system will begin the scan. Now this process again might take 5 to 10 minutes or more than that. And once this is done, you just need to restart the computer and see if your computer has been repaired or not. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you, and if you have any concern, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. And guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.